Hey, cousin. Hey, it's your girl, Mary Kate, coming to you with a slate today.
Hey.
Coming to you with a slate today.
Let the church say subscribe.
You guys, I've got something for you, and you are going to like it. I know you're going to like it. I know it for a fact. Look at this. So I found this brand on Amazon. It's nothing. That's what I do. I dig deep before I leap, and I looked at it and I had a feeling that it was going to slap. Okay? You gotta go with your feelings. So this is the upgraded Food Line bag, and I appreciate it. Now, it had a little factory smell, not a bad smell, just a factory like warehouse type of smell. But y'all, let's look at this. Let's just take a minute. Let's take a minute, because I knew it. I knew it when I saw it on Amazon. Look, this is what I saw, and it's giving the same thing in real life. This wig is not playing with y'all already. You can tell, right? Okay. Don't get up here lying, talking about, You can tell. Look at that. Look at even the lace is sufficient, okay? It has an adjustable elastic band in the back that's gonna hold on to the back of your face like a good relationship. Now just look at the craftsmanship of the braids. And these braids are little. They're small, okay? Beautifully done. The time that it had to take to create this, I don't take that stuff lightly. Like, come on. And for this price, y'all, we just gonna do a little bit of work to it. And when I say little, I mean little, very little. Things that anybody can do. This is 28 inches. This is full lace. And what that means is versatility. And look how it moves and grooves. Look at that. That looks like somebody's scalp. Okay? That's what it's looking like. That looks like follicles. And up and through your own very own scalp. Tell me that don't look like that, y'all. And look at all the things you can do because it's full lace. Come on. You guys, it's not thick. The roots are sufficient. You know how some braid wigs, they look about the roots. Honey, No. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down with some of the silicone spray because it works wonders and it makes the wig smell good. Now y'all know this is what I do when I don't want to dip. When it comes to braid wigs, I don't want to be drip dropping all day long because I done dipped the wig. I don't want to do that. So I take my flat iron, yes, and I just go down the strands. Now when I'm on the ends are a little bit more fragile. I think I was on 320 on the ends, but when I get up to the top part, like the actual thick braids, I think I was on 370 degrees at the top. But those ends go down about 320, y'all, because you know this is synthetic hair. So you want to be careful. You don't want to burn the hair, nor do you want to destroy your flat iron, okay? So bam, it's going to give you the same effect as if you dipped it, okay? When I dip, you dip, we dip. And sometimes I don't even dip at all, okay? Now, look at that. Look at that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tint that lace because I want it to match my cafe ole. This is my favorite lace tint spray, but I'm going to be honest, it takes so long to dry. Oh my goodness. That's the only downside to that particular lace tint spray, but I love it. It matches my skin perfectly. It always gives me a flawless finish. Look at that. Look how we just warmed it up a little bit. Look how we did that. Now, let's go ahead and do my bald head scallywag edges. You already know what that is. So I'm going to take out that braid that's going across the front of the wig. And listen, let me say, the hair was already sparse, so I appreciate that. It wasn't thick and ignorant, okay? It was already nice and beautiful, all right? But because I like mine extra ignorantly bald head scallywaggish, I just took a little bit more of the density off with my thinning shears. That's what that is right there, and it looks like regular shears with a comb on one end. That's what it does. It takes off. The purpose is to take off volume, not necessarily length, although you can take off length. And then I take my little shears, the little shears that I typically use, yes, and I go through and I cut those suckers short, okay? I cut them short. Now, it's going to give you a very natural finish. If you like big, thick, ignorant swoop-a-doop, then you would not do this, okay? Use the grown woman hairs that came with the wig because they were already nice and sparse and plucked. They looked very nice. And then go ahead and swoop your dupes, okay? This is if you want your swoop-a-doops to look natural like I do. Now, go ahead and cut your lace. Now, I'm applying this glueless. I cannot wait to melt it down because y'all about to see what it's gonna look like glueless. If it's coming at it like that glueless, listen, let me tell you something. I have plans for this wig. Y'all don't even realize. Forever Braids, you know what you're doing. You know what you're doing out here in these Amazon streets. Y'all trying to okay. Now, go all the way around because again, this is full lace, okay? So you could put it up in a high ponytail, a high bun. You can get it sewed down. However you like to apply your wig, you can feel free to do so, okay? Now I took a little mousse and put it on those ends and just let it dry. And listen, those ends, look at that. Look how beautiful this wig is, y'all. I'm not making this up. You see it. Now, for this particular wig, I'm going to use my own ear tabs. This is optional, so you don't necessarily have to do this, but you're going to see how good it's going to look. When it's all said and done, it's going to look like I sat in somebody's chair, and y'all know I have not done that in years. Not for braids, honey. For braids this small? No. Look at that, y'all. All on the forehead. Go get it adjusted, Chad. I just be, ugh. Anyways, so I'm going to lay a little bit of mousse on those little grown woman hairs. I'm gonna tie it down for a couple minutes. Y'all, that's it. Now, you already know when it comes to that. Look at that. Look how neatly they braided that wig. Honey, the time and attention they put on this wig. My goodness. Y'all, look at this right here. And it's glueless. I ain't lying to y'all. That's glueless. Now, sometimes I like to go through with the product and, you know, kind of brighten up the parts. But I'm actually not in this video, but I don't even know if I'm going to do it on a video because you guys have seen me do this a whole lot of times. I'm going to touch that lace with the perfect line Swiss. Okay? It's going to, y'all, oh my gosh. I'm hyped. I already know I have plans for this wig. I'm going to just say it like that. I have plans for this wig. I may do it on film. I don't know. But just look at this. Look at this. Now, how you going to, I'm excited. I can't come about it delicately. I have to tell you, I want y'all to feel my excitement. I want you to feel it through the screen. And I want y'all to get this wig. This wig is so nice. I already have another one of their wigs waiting for me to review it. It's not a game. They have so many wigs that I saw that I want. I ain't lying. Listen, they might have the game in the choke. Look at that. Does that not look like the back of my head, y'all? Come on now. And I haven't even hit it with that perfect line swish yet. Come on, y'all. Don't play with it. I have to give flowers when flowers are due. And honey, these flowers are past due because I didn't even know about this company. I didn't know about this brand. How y'all, man, I'm about to pull everybody's coattail to it. I'm so hyped. This is beautiful. Absolutely amazing work. I'm so ready for y'all to get y'all hands on this. Y'all, we about to be so fly in these braid wig streets. And we're not gatekeeping. We putting everybody on it, okay? Enough of that gatekeeping. For what? Look at this. Let's get it. I'm so happy. I am so happy that I found this vendor, y'all. Blow the comments up. Let me know what you think and if you are going to grab it or not, okay? Y'all, that's glueless. That's a glueless wig. Y'all think I'm lying? I gotta sit up here and look at that. Y'all, peace, love, light.